What's the deal, gang? What's the deal, squad? Currently, my girl's in the process of doing my hair, but I need to go to Target right now. But that's what she got right now. If you want to see a more detailed video of her actually doing my hair, get this video to like 10 likes, 15 likes. Get this video to 15 likes. I'm not asking for too much. I'm not asking for a lot. So just get the video to 15 likes. And this is her phone right now. I don't want to see. Her. What's the deal, gang? What's the deal, squad? Listen, currently my girl is doing my hair. She's not all the way done and stuff like that. So if you're watching this like, oh my God, what is she doing to you, Angela? She's not completely done yet. But what's the deal, gang? What's the deal, squad? I'm back again with another YouTube video. Listen, I want my girl say something. Oh my God, but I'm back with her and stuff, and currently I'm doing another vlog. I know y'all love my vlogs and stuff. I be posting bangers there and there and stuff like that. But no, listen, I'm gonna go to Best Buy, grab some stuff from my phone, from my laptop, grab some food, some other stuff like that. She may want. Currently, I'm recording on my iPhone 12. So if anybody want to start a YouTube channel, you can literally start a YouTube channel. Hold on. You can literally start a YouTube channel with this phone. Like, I had this phone for like 5-6 years. I started YouTube with this phone and stuff before I actually got me a camera and stuff. So you want to make a YouTube channel, you can have any phone. You can use Android. Look at her. Get her drip.
I look a mess.
Get her drip.
I look like I love myself.
Get her drip. It was a 360. Ooh, yeah, booty. Ooh. But no, we're finna go. Alright.
I gotta go get some coffee.
Huh?
I gotta go get some upstairs.
What you gotta go get?
Some gel.
Some gel for the edges?
Yep.
Alright. Huh? What's up, y'all? Huh?
You used to slap.
What, dog? Tell me what y'all feel about these right here. I never had them.
Not the peanut butter ones. I hated those. These ones.
The Oreo. Y'all had these. Tell me what y'all think about them and
You
stuff.
didn't want to eat lunch in school?
Eat those. Listen, y'all. The best snack. She's not hip. She's not hip to the game and stuff. The best snack. Oh, look. Before the snacks came out, tell me if y'all remember this candy right here. This is the OG candy right here. OG candy right here. I think they got all the OG candies in one spot. For real. Look at all this OG candy right here. Got the gum right here. All that OG candy right here. Hey, whoever watches this right now, this is what y'all need. I'm already hip to y'all. Go brush your teeth right now. You nasty motherfucker. I don't know what I want. I'm really not. I really don't want nothing. I want some food. That's all I want. I want some food. I'm really not a snack person. Oh. Hey, look, y'all. That's that good stuff right there, bro. Well, you need that bear skin on for real. If you're not here, you need that bear skin. Y'all be wearing those smalls. I'm already hip to y'all. What's the deal, YouTube? Listen, I'm turn that down. I'm back in the Batmobile and stuff. But listen, she wanted to drive my car. She wanted to drive the car, and she called. fine. Go ahead. Keep going. I gotta go buy some light from Best Buy. I'll be back, y'all. We going. We going. Cool. Confident and mess up my car. Alright. We at Best Buy. I live to see another day. Tell another story. Best Buy right now. Ooh. You said what? She didn't do so bad, yeah. She didn't do bad, yeah. Let's see on her parking. Let's see her parking right now. I had to help her out while parking and stuff. Y'all can't see my license plate. Y'all see my socks though. But she didn't do too bad. She's kind of on the line a little bit, but everything don't gotta be perfect.
I can smell the tires.
I don't think that's my tires. This is what you want to do. Hold my hand.
You go to one.
You said what you want?
And then I got these. That one. She got that one. Damn. I'm gonna be watching niggas everywhere.
Y'all listen. Giveaway coming soon. What y'all want? Tell me what y'all want. Leave in the comments right now. What y'all want? Y'all want this right there? Y'all can't have that. That's mine. But
It ain't shit though.
yes, it is. Tell me what y'all want right now. I got the Apple over there. Got computer Samsungs over there. I think I need those lights right there. I think I need those lights over there. But tell me what y'all want right now. Leave in the comments. 1,000 subscribers right now. First giveaway ever. Subscribe right now if you're not subscribed. So you want that right there? Man, that's nothing wrong
But
with
then
that.
again, that's the one with like the camera on my phone, well, on our phones.
What, this it?
Yeah, they got a good ass camera. This one, they got a good ass camera.
What is it? 600 right here?
These two too.
This
That's why
iPad Air right here.
That's why
iPad
they
Air.
going for so much. Yeah.
Listen, y'all. I'm finna get this. What? That good stuff. Apple sponsor me. Apple never gonna sponsor me. I don't know why. I ain't do nothing to Apple and stuff. Just sponsor me, y'all. I'm looking for what I need. Hold on. Look at that, y'all. She holding my stuff for me. I told her if she don't hold my stuff, I'm gonna spank her when we get back home. But no, I don't know why she decided to hold my stuff like I'm a girl and stuff. But I don't know. She I beat her ass. She not. I smack her up and stuff. She not hip yet. Oh, I thought I was lost and stuff. But we finna go at Myers. She's trying to do some nasty stuff in my car. She's so nasty. I was like, nah, I'm a child of God and stuff. I don't want to do nothing. But peace out. Oh, what's the deal, YouTube? I'm back and she here. She irritated with me. I know why. What's wrong with you? Tell me what's wrong.
Scoot over.
If y'all hear that smile, it says it all. But look. She want me to scoot over and so she got to finish braiding my hair. You gonna finish braiding my hair? Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all check out the final results of my hair. She's gonna want to lay on me for a little longer. But all right, peace out, y'all. What's the deal? She currently is almost done with this all sorts, but we getting there. She's sick. Do your little thing that you normally do.
What?
But she's almost done, y'all. I gotta go home. It's late. It's 10 o'clock and stuff. But I love y'all so much. Thank you a lot for actually watching my channel. That means the world to me and stuff. Like, it makes me happy. know, like, I'm actually making good content for y'all and stuff. Means the world. But sometimes I just get discouraged and want to stop doing this because I feel like y'all don't want to see me do this no more. But please comment. I love talking to y'all. I like to know what y'all feeling, how y'all feel, how was y'all day, how was y'all day going. I like to know those type of things. So make sure you comment right now. I'm not even playing. Comment and like the video. Before you click off this right here, comment and like the video right now. That's it.
Tune in, guys. We're gonna start a YouTube channel.
She says that. I
I'm
don't.
serious.
She says that.
I have a very interesting life. Surprisingly,
See.
for me to not do anything, I have a very interesting life.
Look at that mustache, y'all.
Look at my mustache.
Y'all see hers? Hers longer than mine. All right, y'all. What's up, y'all? She kind of got done this all that. Tell me what y'all like better. Y'all like one? This two right here. Tell me if y'all like one from earlier or two from right now. She want me to lay down with her and stuff. She's tired. So, if you watch a little TV, lay down. I'm gonna go home. All right. Love y'all guys. It's gonna be the end of the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And peace out. Love y'all.